We at the Center for Innovative Skill-Based Courses are proud to announce the launch of our very first robotics course at the Open Learning Development Center, campus of Open Learning, University of Delhi. This makes a significant step toward empowering learners with future-ready, hands-on technological skills. This is a beginner-level robotics course, but it's not just another theory-based, heavy programming filled with complex concepts and definitions. Instead, it offers a hands-on robot building journey where you will learn by building, experimenting, and creating real projects. Hi, I am your mentor and guide throughout this journey, bringing over 15 years of experience in the field of robotics and technology to support and inspire you. This course follows a learning by doing approach, where students move beyond theory to design, build, and program real working robotic systems. They will work on practical projects such as smart irrigation systems, smart street lighting systems, firefighting robots, rescue robots, etc., and more, gaining hands-on experience with the real-world applications of robotics and automation. This course nurtures creativity, logical thinking, and problem-solving skills among learners. It empowers them to identify and address local as well as global challenges in society and develop innovative technology-driven solutions. This initiative marks a first step towards fostering an entrepreneurial mindset. Such a skill-based course will enable learners to design and develop their own products and in near future establish startups based on their innovations. Now, who can enroll in this course? Students interested in robotics and STEM, college students from science and non-science backgrounds can also enroll in the course. Beginners with no prior coding or robotics experience can also join these courses. Curious and passionate learners eager to solve local and global challenges through technology can also join this course. Mode of classes will be offline. Duration will be for 6 months and eligibility will be class 10th pass and above. Thank you for watching this video and do join the course.